Good afternoon, Pete here from A Bit Twisted. Just wanted to show that I got this nice, beautiful little wheel running again. Took a little bit of work. Had to fix the whirl. Had to do some extra sanding. I still have one piece to fix on the main shaft, but as is, it still works. And I put a new piece of leather onto the upright here instead of wood. It originally came with wood, and it still has the wood one in the back, but only leather up front. Leather, I think, is going to go in the back as well. Had to readjust the wheel posts a little bit and put a new drive band on, and it's actually at a point where it's spinning, and it's spinning very well, and spinning actually very quiet, and been well pleased. So this is just a quick video just showing that it is up and running and working. And it's smooth. It's a very well built little wheel. It is unfortunate there is no maker mark on this wheel at all. Nowhere have I found anything. Not on the bottom, not on the treadle, not on the backside. Nowhere. So we do not know who the manufacturer is. And if it's just a private person that made it, kudos to them, because they made it very well. But did have to make a few tweaks, but it works, and it works really well. Nice little double drive Saxony wheel. So we're getting ready to head on out, and so I just wanted to do the quickie little video, and we will talk to you all later. Thank you for watching.